Brazil's Supreme Court is all set to begin voting to decide the fate of the far-right former president Jair Bolsonaro. The former president is accused of plotting a coup after his defeat to the current president Lula da Silva in 2022. Now, Bolsonaro is in the dock with 7 co-defendants, including former ministers and generals, before a panel of 5 judges presided over by Justice Alexandre de Moraes. If convicted, Bolsonaro could face a prison term of over 40 years. The Brazilian Supreme Court is expected to issue its ruling by Friday. A simple majority of 3 judges is needed for a guilty verdict. But Bolsonaro can appeal the verdict. And ahead of the trial's verdict, thousands of Bolsonaro supporters are staging protests across several cities. Demonstrators in Sao Paulo waved Brazilian flags alongside some US flags. A similar protests were also held in Brasilia and Rio de Janeiro.
Ok? Mas antes de falar, eu queria só fazer aqui uma demo. Não se pode!
We cannot destroy democracy under the pretext of rescuing it. We cannot tolerate impunity. Impunity would leave an open wound, a scar. But we also cannot tolerate a conviction without proof. A conviction without proof opens a wound that will never heal.
Now, the American President Donald Trump has called the trial to be nothing less than a witch hunt, slapped a 50% tariff on many imports from Brazil as punishment, and even sanctioned the justices presiding over the trial. Now, Justice Moraes, who is presiding over the trial, has vowed in response that the court will not bow down to internal or external threats and coercion. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.